To build an LED video wall, you only need 4 main ingredients: LED video panels, power cables, data cables, and an LED video processor. First, you physically connect multiple LED panels together in the shape that you want. Then, you connect power cables. Next, you connect the data cables. Finally, you map the layout of the video wall with the processor. And you're done. Plug your media source into the processor and enjoy. Let's break this down in a little more detail so you can feel even more confident.